Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful crochet wall hanging design ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers crochet wall hanging are also wonderful handmade gifts. You can make a personal design using someone's favorite color. You can also make a crochet medlar wall hanging. Use different color and crochet stitches to create a round pattern with beautiful detail. For a soft and peaceful look, choose colors like cream, white, pastel pink, green, light blue. You can also use bright color if you want the wall hanging to become the main focus of the room. And viewers, you can add wooden bead tassels or a wooden stick can give the wall hanging a beautiful finish touch. Another great idea is to make a small crochet wall project. You can use it to hold dry flowers, small plants, knot, or other little decoration. And friends, my next idea is viewers if you are a beginner, start with a simple pattern and practice each stitches slowly. With a little fantasy, you can create a beautiful piece for your home. The best thing about crochet is that you can change the size, color, pattern to match your own style. So choose your favorite yarn, pick up your crochet hook, start creating a beautiful wall hanging. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care. Take care and Khuda Hafiz viewers.